Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0x00000190, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to remove the Microsoft Store cache. Now, how would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type WS reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and relaunch it. The next solution is to fix the date and time settings and sync them. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab, select date and time, and then check all of these three buttons and then click on sync now. The next solution is to check your internet connection, especially the internet connection speed, because if the internet connection speed is low, then obviously you will face issues while trying to install apps. So open the browser, type fast.com and hit enter. This will help you check the internet speed, whether it's good enough or not. The next solution is to check if the Microsoft Store is down. So how would you check if the Microsoft Store is down? You will have to check Microsoft Store server status. Server status. Okay. And then go to portal.microsoft.com/service status, and you will find an option for all Microsoft related services, and this will if everything is in green, then it is positive. The last solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store. Now we have a command for you and I have shared it in the description section of the video. Copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane and then hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.